thank everybody for coming along today. I think we're particularly interested in this conversation because I think it really is core to what the HubMap program is doing overall. We need to be able to have a way of integrating data together coming from the different tissue mapping centers. If we can't do that, then that really undermines the value of having a consortium working together to bring together maps of different human tissues. So, I think we look at this, the development of a common coordinate framework system is core to what the consortium does. And I think the kidney is a great example of an area for opportunity and collaboration with other NIH programs as well as the wider research community. So I think that's why we're particularly excited for the CCF meetings to start here. I think this is the way we would also look at this is it's the first of what will hopefully be many discussions moving towards a refined model for how we deal with essentially mapping our data and having a way of integrating our data together. So thanks everybody for joining this call, and I think we're really looking forward to hearing all the discussions today.